So this bike right here is my Aventon Sotera, and I absolutely love this bike. Super simplistic with things like a belt drive, so you have zero maintenance on it. It's got reliable brakes, a simple screen, and it's just an easy bike to get on and cruise around town on. But I do wish it was just slightly more comfortable. Well, my friends over at Redshift hooked me up with a brand new product that they just came out that's gonna fit the Sotera absolutely perfectly, but they also included some other things that are gonna make this bike super smooth on the road. And oh yeah, all the tools that I'm gonna be using for this install are Feedback Sports tools. These are super reliable and super high quality, and this is what I build most of my bikes up with. So if you guys need some tools to work on your bike, definitely check out Feedback Sports. So first off, if you're not familiar with Redshift, they make really cool bars. Typically they make them for gravel bikes or road bikes, but they also make some really comfortable grips for your drop bars. But their bread and butter is definitely a suspension seat post and a suspension stem. Well, they just came out with these brand new top shelf flat bars. These have a 14-degree back sweep, so it's gonna be super comfortable on this Sotera. And they sell them in a 50mm rise or a 70mm rise. I have the 50mm rise here. And what this is gonna do for me as a rider is it's gonna allow me to sit up just a little bit more upright. But the benefit of having the clamping portion down here for your stem is that it frees up this top portion for any kind of accessory that you might want. Do you wanna have a brighter headlight? You can clamp it on there, no problem. And you can put it dead center on these bars because the bar is going to be clamped down here on the stem instead of on the main portion of the bar up here. And also if you have a GPS unit, you can clamp it on there. There's so many things that you can do with just this slight uprise bar. It's going to be really nice. But first and foremost, I think the comfort is really what I'm looking for. But this isn't all that they sent me. They sent me a couple other things. They sent me a suspension stem and a suspension seat post. Now, these aren't just traditional suspension seat posts and stems. These are actually made for really high-end road bikes and gravel bikes. So these, in my opinion, are the absolute most premium suspension stem and seat post that you can get on the market today. And the suspension seat post that they sent for me is their endurance model. And this one's gonna be perfect for this style of bike. And this one fits a 27.2mm seat post diameter, and it's gonna be 350mm long. And then as for the stem, this is their Pro stem. Now, this is a 90mm stem, and the stem that comes on the Sotera is 70mm. Now, Redshift does sell a 70mm stem, but that's a little bit too short to work with their flat bar design. They recommend having a 90mm or a little bit longer, but for 20 more millimeters, I think I can probably make that work. We're gonna put it on there, give it a try. I really hope it does work because this really does smooth out the front end, especially since the Sotera does not have any suspension on it whatsoever. Adding suspension to the stem is gonna smooth out the front a little bit, and then adding it to the seat post is gonna smooth out the back. Overall, this bike should be pretty clutch by the time we get this done. Let's not waste any more time. Let's open this stuff up, let's get it installed, and then let's take it for a ride. So now that I've done a few rides with the Redshift products on the Aventon Sotera, I've got to say, these things are absolutely premium. The bars with the extra bit of rise makes this bike feel a little bit more upright and less aggressive, but yet the bike still has all the speed and power that it had with the regular stock bars. The Redshift stem with a flat bar was really interesting. I had never experienced it with a flat bar before, but the ride definitely smoothed out and made it a lot more enjoyable. I could see how my hands are definitely going to be relieved on those longer rides. And as for the suspension seat post, this is probably my favorite upgrade from Redshift. And you can dial them in to your body weight or just your riding preference. So overall, I think Redshift has some really cool stuff on their hands here. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'm gonna put some links down below. All right, guys, you know what to do. Get out there and ride your e-bike.